Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make raw banana cutlets. In Konkani it is called tonne keancho cutleshi. These are the bananas I am going to use, small elaichi bananas. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have with me 40 pieces of raw banana and 3 medium sized potatoes which I have pressure cooked until 5 whistles with little haldi and salt. 1 egg, rava, suji, semolina to coat the cutlets, 2 medium sized chopped onions, handful of chopped coriander, half teaspoon haldi, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, cumin powder, 3 chopped green chilies and 4 chopped garlic. Now let's mash the potatoes and the bananas together. Our mashed potatoes and bananas are ready. Now we'll add haldi powder, chili powder and jeera powder. Salt as per your taste. Mix it well. Now in a pan we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we'll add garlic, onion, chilies and chopped coriander. And fry it till the onion becomes translucent. Our onion is ready now. Let's add the mashed potatoes and bananas. Mix it well. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Our mixture is ready now. Let's allow it to cool down and then we'll make the cutlets. Our mixture is cooled down now. Let's add the egg. Mix it well. I have a pan with oil which is nice and hot now. Let's make the cutlets. Take a small amount of the mixture. Make a ball. Flatten the bit. And then roll it in the semolina rava. Fry it on a medium flame till both the sides are nice and golden brown. We need to fry the cutlets till it is nice and golden brown in color. Now let's turn them. Our cutlets have got nice golden brown in color. Now they are ready, let's remove them. Our raw banana cutlets are ready. Let's split them up. Our raw banana cutlets are ready. तोन्या केळ्यांचे कटलेशी रेडी. घरात ट्राय करा आणि म्हाका कमेंट करून सांगा. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.